Here at Sun Retreats Sherkston Shores, we have many opportunities for long-term stays. A long-term stay guest is someone who signs a seasonal contract with us to stay from May 1st to October 31st. We have a wide variety of sites to choose from, such as our RV sites in the seasonal campground, or you could choose from one of our many park model vacation cottages in different communities throughout the resort. As a park model cottage owner, you have a site that you can make your own, whether it's an outdoor sitting space, a spacious patio, or a wonderful fire pit. The sky's the limit. With our RV seasonal sites, you have the option to upgrade with many features, such as fire pit, large outdoor storage, or even a deck. We have many amenities and entertainment just for our long-term stays. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Retreats Sherkston Shores, where your family can create lasting memories here on the shores of Lake Erie. See you soon!